Wanna know how to change your password in Replit? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your replit.com website. So once you've opened it up, here you should be seeing this interface right here. So once you're on this interface, on the top left side, you should be seeing your Replit icon. So you can just simply select it and head towards account right here. So changing your password is super simple in Replit. So what you need to simply do is, here you should be seeing your profile. Make sure you're on a profile and scroll down a little bit and you'll see account. And beside your account, you should be seeing your password right here. And you can just simply select edit, just like this, and then just simply type in your current password and then type in your new password right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.